Hello my lovely people, you all are welcome back again to Lucy Family Kitchen. I hope you all are doing great. So join me today as I make coconut fried rice. And if you like this recipe, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. So without wasting much time, start by placing your empty pot on the heat, add some vegetable oil, allow it to heat up, then add in your sliced onion. Stir fry the onions for at least 2 to 3 minutes. Then next add in your blended ginger, garlic and red chili. Then add in your chicken stock cube, add your salt to taste, then add some dried thyme, curry powder, powdered cardamom. Once you are done adding your spices, stir fry it for another 2 to 3 minutes. So next, go ahead and add in your long grain parboiled basmati rice. This rice is very good if you are cooking fried rice. So after you're done adding your rice, use your spatula to stir to mix everything together. Then add 2 bay leaves, add in your coconut milk and also your meat stock as well. So guys, for today's coconut fried rice recipe, I will also be adding fresh curry leaf. It is optional, but I suggest you try it. Trust me, you are going to like it in your fried rice. Once you are done, check if your water is enough to cook your rice. If it is not, go ahead and add some water to your rice again. Then use your spatula to give it a big stir. Wrap with your foil paper, then cover and let your rice cook until it becomes soft. So while waiting for your rice to cook, go ahead and prepare your stir-fried vegetable for your fried rice. Place your pan on the heat, add some vegetable oil, let it heat up, then add in your sliced onion, stir fry for a few minutes. Then go ahead and start adding in your vegetable. So I'm using broccoli. Add your mixed vegetable, which is combination of green beans, pigeon pea, carrots, cauliflower. I also added my bell pepper. Then after you are done adding your vegetable, give it a quick stir before you add your spices. Here I have my chicken stock cube. Add your dried thyme, add your curry powder, add some salt to taste. Then keep on stirring your vegetable. Make sure your heat is on a low heat. Then stir fry your vegetable for a few minutes. After you are done, take it off the heat and set it aside. So finally, I'm going to go ahead to check on my rice now. In case if your rice is still hard, you can go ahead and add some extra water to it, then cover and let it cook until it becomes soft. Once you are done cooking your rice, use your spatula to just give it a quick stir. Then add in your stir-fried vegetables. Use your spatula to stir it to make sure you mix the rice and your vegetables together. So one more thing guys, when mixing your vegetables and your rice together, make sure you turn off the heat to avoid overcooking your vegetables. So my lovely people, as you can see, my coconut fried rice is ready. I'm going to go ahead to dish it out and enjoy my fried rice. And don't forget to tell me what you think about the recipe on the comment section. Also subscribe to my channel, like and share this video. Bye.